Welcome back to Lab Cyber. Now, today's video, I'm going to be giving some career advice, and this advice will be particularly useful if you're somebody trying to launch their cybersecurity career but has been struggling to get that entry-level position. The advice is this: do not make the exact same mistake that so many other people in your situation are doing, and that mistake is applying only for entry-level roles in cybersecurity. What you should be doing is applying to other roles in IT. Here's the thing, I know this may sound kind of odd, especially if you're coming from a non-technical or a non-IT background, but here's the truth: whatever work experience or skills you can gain in other fields of IT, that will help you when trying to launch a career in cybersecurity. Because think about it, okay? Every other field in IT, whether it's databases, programming, networking, hardware, software, websites, even AI, they all need security one way or the other. And if you have two different candidates applying for the exact same entry-level role in cybersecurity, one has, let's say, 1 year work experience in IT, no certifications. The other has 2-3 certifications, but no work experience in IT. I promise you, 9 times out of 10, the first individual, the first candidate, the one with the work experience, will be favored over the one with the certifications. So please don't apply only for entry-level roles in cybersecurity. Apply for other roles within IT as well. When you get that role, when you get that job, you will be earning income, you will be getting valuable work experience and skills, and best of all, once you're inside the club, and when I say inside the club, I mean once you have a job in IT, it becomes far easier to switch careers, to switch fields in IT. It's far easier to do so once you're inside than when you're outside. Even I didn't start by being a cybersecurity analyst. That was never my first job. My first job in IT was actually a systems admin. I then went to system support. I was in IT support. I also built websites for a living for a while before I eventually moved to cybersecurity full time. So please don't make this mistake of thinking that, oh, because I want to launch my career in cybersecurity, my first entry-level job has to be in cybersecurity. No, it can be in every other field within IT. And when you're working on that job, you can be applying for the entry-level roles in cybersecurity. There's nothing to stop you from doing so. Now, before I round up the video, if I was going to recommend one particular entry-level role in IT that would be great for you, that's going to be IT support or tech support or help desk or anything similar. The reason is because you will gain plenty of versatile work skills and experience. Because when you are in tech support, you will be required to solve hardware challenges, software issues, networking issues, and also very, very important, you will have to learn people skills, communication skills, because you will be interacting with the people whose issue you're trying to resolve. And this can help you in the future, especially when you're trying to switch over to a managerial position within cybersecurity. But that's it for today's advice. What do you think about it? Do you have any questions? Is there any other kind of advice you would give to somebody trying to launch their career within cybersecurity? I'd love to hear from you. Put your comments, your questions down below. I'll do my best to answer them as soon as I can. If you're new here to the channel, welcome to Lab Cyber. My name is Alex. I discuss all things cybersecurity, AI. So if you do love content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so they're notified whenever I upload a new video. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with anyone whom you feel might benefit from it. And as always, stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.